Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. Sorry, wala kayo nakikita kasi ayan, tinatry ko na makuha kami sa frame kaming dalawa ni Kim, but mainit kasi masyado. Anyways, andito tayo sa New Westminster ngayon kasi kakain tayo sa Epic Silog Grill. Epic's Grill Silog pala. Ito yung isa namin sa paboritong pinupuntahan at kinakainan namin ni Kim na silugan. Actually,
ito siguro pwede 5 meters.
okay, sure, yeah. Actually, lagi kami pumupunta dito, and I think nakikita nyo dati sa vlog namin na kumakain kami dito sa Epic's Grill. And ngayon kakain na naman kami ulit. So, let's go. Magpa-park lang kami ni Kim. Pero medyo natatakot ako guys kasi yung ano dito, yung mga daan dito, medyo madulas na kasi maraming ice. And then anong tawag na to?
Bakit? 5 meters to. No.
Let's see. And then hard na siya, tapos uminit, tapos lumamig. So parang
5 meters to. To mas slide.
Yeah, sorry. Okay, maghanap muna kami ng parking, guys. Saglit lang.
Alright, we found parking. Not too far. It's just the next street. But yeah, we're gonna go eat now. It's kind of cold. See that? You see it? Yeah, it's kind of cold, but it's not too bad. Not too bad as other provinces right now. It's a katong jaywalking siya. Anyways, we're gonna eat muna. Baka hindi na kami mag-vlog sa loob kasi maraming tao. Sige. See you later!
Thank you. Okay guys.
Ang kinukuha na.
Tapos na tayong kumain. Nag-order ako ng tapsilog. Tapos si Kim nag-order siya ng
Biya silog
with corned beef. And yung nabayaran namin is a total of $42. Kasama na yung buko juice, coffee, and then yung kinain namin. Yeah, medyo
refill yung coffee.
yeah, free refill. So yeah, medyo pricey siya, pero kasi masarap naman yung food din kasi nila.
Yan na rin.
True, and hindi naman kasi din kami laging andito kasi malayo din siya sa bahay namin. So, yeah, if you guys are here, if andito kayo sa Vancouver and you wanna eat sa isang silugan, legit silugan.
Yeah,
legit.
silog lang talagang binibenta nila, which is nice kasi parang walang halo na ibang food. Pero maaga sila nag-close, 2 o'clock.
Bisitahin nyo sila sa dito sa New West. Pangalan ng pagkain na yun is Epic Grill Silog. So yeah, pauwi na tayo eh. In fairness, maganda yung yung araw ngayon. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ganda, no? Ito, ay sorry, dito pala. Matirik ang araw ngayon. Ayan. Ay, bakit natakpan sa mukha ni Kim? Ayan. Matirik ang araw ngayon. Ayan. Okay, we're here now at Marble Slab. We are going to get ice cream kasi lasang patis at suka pa yung panlasa namin.
Bakit patis?
No, suka. Why you say patis eh?
Tonyo ka, girl!
Nakakahawa na yun. Kasi sabi mo patis.
Why you say patis eh?
Wapasan siya na guys. Okay. So, andito tayo ngayon sa Marble Slab. Sa Market Crossing yung pinupuntahan pa rin namin. Malapit lang to sa amin. And, nag-decide kami na bumili kami ng ice cream kasi nga, lasang suka yung ano namin, yung
Taste buds.
panlasa namin. So, tara, pasok tayo. Malamig yung paa ko.
Patis eh.
Kakahawa naman si...
What'd you get?
A mixed pint. I'll get tissue kasi.
I'm just gonna buy lemons from here because we need it for our water. This is our haul. I got lemons, bananas, and oranges, mandarins. Nag-check sa chat ng aming winning sa Lotto. And then I think our next stop is Alex and Bea's house to drop off Bea's bag.
May free plate to.
Oh, nice. Yeah, we're just gonna drop off Bea's bag that she left at our house yesterday. And then yeah, that's it I think for this Sunday. We're just gonna stay home. There's lots of things to be done at home. And you'll see. Well, I have hiccups. We'll see you at Bea's house and Alex's house.
Ayan si Kim, guys. Andito pala kami ngayon sa kina Alex and Bea kasi nag-drop kami ng bag niya. So, kagabi nagpunta sila sa bahay and then
Hello.
So yeah, again kagabi nagpunta sila sa bahay kagabi. And then naiwan yung bag niya. So yung nangyari since
Baka nag-stop.
No. So nangyari since kanina umalis naman kami ng bahay, we decided na i-drop na lang yung drop off na lang yung bag niya dito. Kasi wala naman kami ibang lalakarin. And then ngayon, pabalik na kami ng bahay.
So many things to do at home. Just wait.
Yeah, so pauwi na tayo. Mamaya papakita namin.
Okay, everyone, we are home now. It's really, really messy here. Galit na galit sa cat. Dahil it's messy here. But anyways, we have lots of things to do here. Like, we're gonna replace this film dito sa window. And then Kat's doing laundry, and then she just told me na just do whatever you want. Just don't bother me.
I am doing laundry.
Okay, great. Thanks. So, I'm gonna replace that kasi tingnan niyo. May mga butas-butas na siya. Hindi lang ito. Ito yung initial butas niya. May isa pa siyang butas doon sa baba. Tapos sa bunch. And then may mga bugs dito na hindi ko alam kung saan sila nanggagaling. Kasi naka-close naman ito. Saan kaya sila pumapasok? We don't know. But we're gonna clean that up.
Yeah.
Fix it for this year. I mean for the new year. Para warm din dito pag iniwan namin siya. And then, Sam, if you're watching,
Sam who?
Iko-cover lang
We
namin
have a
yan.
lot of Sam.
No, Sam, our landlord Sam. Iko-cover lang namin yan kasi masyado malamig pag walang tao dito. And then, dadagdagan ko din to ng tubig because they are lacking water. Siya nga pala, may bago kaming fish na bigay nila Alex and Bea. Hindi ko lang alam kung nasan siya. Oh, nandun siya sa corner. Pleco siya. And then,
It's a birthday gift pala from
yeah, it's
Alex
a birthday
and Bea.
gift. Because, guys, it's my birthday.
It's gonna be Kim's birthday on the 8th of December.
True. And then,
So,
tatry din
yeah.
naming i-clear itong outside. Bale, yung mga pots na yan, we're gonna take pictures of it and then we're gonna sell it. We're also going to be selling this one. So, whoever is in Vancouver and wants a table, please buy this table so we can get rid of it. The reason why, kasi ngayon, ginagamit namin yung etong table na to kasi recently we've been watching TV from inside the bedroom and so ang plano is we're gonna get a thinner one here Tapos, ito na lang yung pag may mga tao. So, yung thin one, ilalagay namin dito pag nandito yung TV. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so let's roll.
Let's roll.
It's rated X. That means you're extra, extra, extraordinary.
Hello. So I just finished with the window, and I'm gonna put the lights back in here. These lights back in here. That's my next task. Okay, that one is back to where it belongs. Cat is fixing that stuff. And then that one is done. I didn't put one there kasi window yun para mabuksan namin. And then that one too. I didn't put one there. And then I think we're done.
Yeah.
Are we done?
I think so. Let's look for dinner.
Okay, yeah, we gotta eat dinner. So for dinner, we decided we are gonna order chicken from Korean chicken. Parang maraming ano dito ng Chico chicken, and it's very good. So yun na lang yung the dinner namin, and rice. And then for the rest of the night, we're just gonna chill and watch TV. Pero yeah, we'll just pick up the order in 25 minutes.
Ha! Hi everyone! So, tapos na kaming kumain, and then ngayon, nag-chill na lang kami, and we're watching Canada's Drag Race versus Canada versus the world. So, nag-chill na lang kami kasi bukas work na, so parang inaano na namin, kinukondisyon na namin yung katawan namin. So, I think that's it for today's video. Maraming salamat sa mga nanonood sa amin. Thank you so much. And mag-ingat kayo lagi. Please don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks for watching! Also, tingnan niyo yung ginawa ko kanina. Wow! Malinis na siya! Alright! Bye!
Bye!